And we're back with a knife review. Today it is going to be the new Real Steel Pelican. Get you a closer look at it. This is an interesting knife that Real Steel has come out with. You can see aspects of other knives there. Start off by going over specs on this knife. It is 8 inches overall. Has a 3.37 inch drop point blade and what Real Steel refers to as the harpoon style. It is stone washed, D2. The front scale, well, handle I guess in this case, would be a G10 handle, which has been milled here. Supposed to give the Pelican its wing looking style. The back of the knife is a stainless steel frame lock reminiscent of a Hinderer. It has a stainless steel belt clip, an extended large flipper tab, which we'll talk about in a few minutes. It only weighs 4 ounces, has a lanyard hole, a black back spacer, works on ceramic ball bearings, of course this is designed by Aslan Zayanabayev. Alright, so this knife has a thumb hole here that you can open the knife with. Well, you get your thumb in there and you don't allow the flipper tab to hit your hand. Right there, you can go ahead and open it up. But this knife is designed to be used with the flipper tab. But it's extended because this knife doesn't have any jimping on top. It has a place for your thumb, the harpoon style, where your thumb goes here and reaches a point where it can't go any further no matter how hard you pull, because the extended flipper tab grabs your finger. So you don't need jimping, and it gives you a very comfortable, I mean, you can get a very firm grip on this knife, which I like. I normally like jimping on top. Wouldn't have hurt if there was some there, but it's not really needed in this case. I mean, the flipper tab acts as a stop for your hand, which is nice. I like that. It's easy deployment, one-handed closing, one-handed opening, as all frame locks normally are. Let's go ahead and show you how this blade cuts. As you can see, it cuts very smoothly with no resistance because it has a very sharp D2 blade and it's extremely thin. This knife has also got a nice sharp point, as you can tell. I can't put much pressure on the knife holding it with just my 2 fingers, but just a gentle little bit of pressure gets it right on through. So it has a lot of control when cutting. You can see that you don't have to have any effort to push the knife through. You can direct the knife wherever you want. Making it an easy choice for an EDC. I would definitely have one of these. As you can tell, would be very handy to use. Even has a sharp tip. Love that part too. Nice job on that knife. Alright, so this is the Real Steel Pelican in a D2 steel blade, extended flipper tab, frame lock, G10 handle. If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. For those of you guys watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You will not be disappointed. Tons of reviews, giveaways, tons of posts. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.